Welcome back to Explaincad. In this tutorial, we create a sheet metal part. First of all, I select front plane, sketch, normal, rectangle, center rectangle, draw one rectangle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, this side 200 mm and this side 400 mm. Right click, select option, come back from this sketch, go to sheet metal, select base flange or tab, sheet metal parameters. I select thickness 1.2 mm, bend allowance, K factor 0.5, auto relief OB round, use relief ratio 0.5. OK. Now select edge flange, flange parameters. I select these all edges. Its bend radius is 1.2 mm. You can also change it by unchecking use default radius. Angle 90 degree OK. Flange length blind 70 mm. Select material inside. If we select material outside, the dimensions of part will be changed. For example, suppose I select material outside. OK. Select this face, press and hold control button and select this face. See, its width is 202.4 mm. Because of we select material outside, so we select material inside. Select edge flange 1, edit feature, and here select material inside. Select OK. Now select this face and this face. Now its width is 200 mm. Now again select edge flange, select this face, this and this face. Flange length 20 mm. Remaining things are same. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select rectangle, center rectangle, right click, select option, 40 mm and this side 150 mm, 80 mm. From here to here, this is 25 mm. Right click, select option, come back from this sketch. Now select vent, select OK. Again select this face, sketch, normal. Now we create some circles here. Right click, select option, 70 mm. And this one is also 70 mm. Distance from here to here 70 mm. And from here to here 100 mm. Right click, select option, select this point and this point, make vertical. Distance from here to here 100 mm. Select OK. Come back from the sketch. Now select extruded cut, select OK. We create here a hole, select this face, select simple hole 10 mm, select OK. Now select this hole, edit sketch, go to smart dimension, from here to here 30 mm and from here to here 10 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to features, select linear pattern, select direction 1, this direction, number of instances, select 2, and here in direction 2, select this direction, number of instances 4. Now select features, this hole, here enter distance 100 mm, in direction 1, the distance 180 mm, select OK. Now select hole, edit sketch, increase this distance 50 mm. Come back from the sketch. Our sheet metal part is ready. You can also see its flat pattern. Select flatten. This is its flat pattern. This was a simple tutorial sheet metal part for beginners. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.